Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, you can take advantage of the review that I will be making on commodities, indexes, stocks, and forex. Uh, we'll be looking at gold, silver on this platform, on this my YouTube channel. We'll be looking at gold, silver, platinum, and also some stocks from the U.S. stock market. We'll be looking at the New York Stock Exchange, uh, Nasdaq, then also the UK Stock Exchange, and also Nigeria Stock Exchange. We'll be analyzing them. So take advantage of that and subscribe so that you can get more information on different analysis. Today, let's go to the topic I want to discuss now. That's dollar index. So dollar generally dictates the market. It's paired with some other currency and also commodities. So for this week, we want to see where possibly dollar will go, and let's take a look at what happened last week, and we take it from there. All right, let's see what dollar index is doing. Let's start from what's happened last week. This is last week candlestick. It's a rejection candle. Let's start from the monthly. Really, what's the monthly doing? We are having this the recent high. We have the high high in that's 2001. But recently, since 2008, it's falling down. Then let's have a trend. We now that's a long time one. The midterm will be somewhere around here. So as the midterm, the short term will be here. So I'm not looking at the short term. Really. For the monthly, this is June. We've not finished June, but on May it's coming down really, and that's until we have end of June we can analyze that. So it's making high highs, then it broke in in March. This swing low was broken, but immediately price moved back up again. I guess it's probably price is coming down here to retest it. So it can be something like it can be going something like this. No, who knows? That's what the market is saying for now. Let's go to the weekly. The weekly, yeah, there is on the weekly short time frame. We have this trend. This is a trend. This is a trend. That's the short term trend for the weekly. And what do we have on the? Yeah, look at what happened here. There's a pullback. There's a rejection around here. On the weekly, there's a rejection. So bullish and go, and price went up, and now the price is coming down. Now look at what almost happened at the same level. Last week there's a rejection at this level, which is it looks good. It looks good to me. I'm expecting dollar index to rise a bit, become minimum to this place before probably going further up or coming down again. So definitely it's going up. It's going up, but how soon that will be? It can be like this and then go up. Anything can happen, but This is a good trade. This is a good rejection handle. Initially, it was going down, then bam. So a lot of people will start crying because of this rejection. So it's a good trade. Possibly what we can look at, let's go to the daily to see where we can set our trade. Yeah, on the daily now, let me remove this. On the daily, see what happened during this period. We can use the same scenario. See what happened during this period. That was in March, 9th of March, that's daily. And we have this bull coming in. The bullish candle was very big. And see, it's almost similar things happened last week. So for me, what we're looking at is possible market trying to retest this level for coming week. Yeah, we can early next week we can see dollar index falling to test this level again, and that would be bad for me. This is a buy level. So if dollar can pull back to this level and retest it, uh, my stop loss. Well, I don't want to know. I don't know your risk tolerance. If I put my trade here, so this 1-to-1. Actually, I'm looking at possible price getting to this list, and I think on weekly, on weekly, yeah. So let me go back to the daily. So this is the low for that period. That would be too high for me. Yeah, any break below this one, below this swing low, I think I'll be fine putting my stop loss here. But don't take my word for it. That's my own trade. I don't know your risk level, your risk tolerance level, and that's what I'm looking at. That's dollar index. We look at some other peers later on. Thank you.